ka na ba sa Tokyo at Osaka? Pero gusto mo pa rin ng Japan vibes pero mas tahimik, less touristy at authentic? Then maybe it's time to explore Fukuoka, Japan. Recently, nagpunta kami sa Fukuoka, Japan, and here are the 5 reasons why Fukuoka is a hidden gem ng Japan. But before that, kung magbubook kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon kayo ng discounts. Okay, let's move now sa video. Number 1, city life without the chaos. Based on our experience, ang Fukuoka ay hindi kasing gulo ng Tokyo at hindi rin kasing hype ng Osaka. Pero Fukuoka gives you the best of both worlds. Modern city life pero relax at hindi nakaka-stress. Perfect for those who want to explore without the crowd overload. Number 2, the birthplace of Tonkatsu Ramen. Kung fan ka ng ramen, this is the right place for you. Fukuoka ang birthplace ng Hakata Tonkatsu Ramen. Yung creamy, rich pork broth, OG dito yan. At kung gusto mo ng local experience, try mong kumain sa mga yatay. Ito yung open-air food stalls sa gabi. Number 3, culture without the crowds. Mahilig ka sa culture, temples, shrines, and history? Fukuoka has that, minus the long lines and tourist photo-ops sa likod mo. Check out Nanzuin Temple or roam around Ohori Park and feel the local life. Number 4, easy access and convenient transportation. Alam mo ba, 10 minutes lang ang airport to city center, as in literal, pagbaba mo ng plane, nandyan ka na sa city. Tapos, ang transportation system, ang linis, ang ayos, at madali lang. Pati shopping, covered na rin sa Tenjin Underground Mall. And last but not the least, friendly vibes and local feels. Fukuoka has this local Japan vibe. Less touristy, mas laid back, at sobrang warm ng atmosphere. Parang every corner may cafe, ramen spot, or secret food finds. Kaya ang sarap mag-explore dito. So, bakit nga ba Fukuoka? If gusto mo na real Japan experience, minus the crowd, delicious food, at low-key vibe, Fukuoka ang sagot dyan. And that's it. I hope nakatulong. And again, kung magbubook kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon kayo ng discounts. Follow me for more travel tips and guides and watch out for my Fukuoka vlogs. Ayun lang, babush!